Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, today I'm adding this new series to my channel which is about bag reviews. I am such a bag lover. I love collecting bags, and whenever it came down to a designer bag, I always referred to all the YouTube videos for different feedbacks, which helped a lot with my decision making. So I just wanted to share with you guys my experience and give you some feedback on the bags that I own. So today I'm going to start with one of my favorite bags that I own, and it is from Louis Vuitton, and the bag is Alma BB. I know it is such a classic and so many people love it. I think it's such a beautiful bag, and since the time I've owned it, I don't know how many times I've used it. I just love taking it out. So let's get started. Also, I just wanted to quickly mention, in case you guys want to see how I got this beautiful midnight blue eye look, I just created a makeup tutorial and it's going to be up on my channel sometime this week, so stay tuned for it. Alright, so let's get started with the review. I think I was looking for Alma BB sometime last year and it was always sold out on their website. I think I was eyeing for it for almost 2 months, I would say, and I used to check their website pretty much on a daily basis, and finally I saw it online and I ordered it. So here is the bag. I just wanted to quickly tell you the price of the bag. I have their website open here, and the price currently in Canada is 1860 plus taxes. So just keep that in mind. I think Louis Vuitton keeps increasing their prices since last year, I think 3-4 times already. I remember this bag when I bought it, it was 1700 something. So yeah, the price has gone up for sure. So here is the box. Let's open it. Here is the dust bag. Here are the receipts and the blue ribbon that they tie the box with. So let's quickly open the bag. I always keep my bags in the dust bag just because I want to be careful. So here is the gorgeous bag. I just love this. This is how it looks. I think this is my first Damier Ebene prints from Louis Vuitton and I just love it. It is so gorgeous. Check it out. So when it comes to the Damier Ebene print, they have Louis Vuitton Paris mentioned here and here. This is such a classic print from them. I think everybody recognizes that this is Louis Vuitton. And as you can see, it has this golden zipper and all the gold hardware as well. The best part about this bag is it comes with the feet, so when you put it down it's not damaging the bag, which is a plus. And actually I have carried it around a couple of times even in rain because I live in Vancouver, and it held up really well. Although I would avoid taking it in water, but you know, when you live in Vancouver then there's no escape from that. It also says Louis Vuitton on the buttons. I don't know if camera is showing it here. And then on the zippers as well, it says LV here. I have used it like a couple of times and it is pretty much as good as new. Now let's open it up. It is a very structured bag and I really like it because it is very secure as well. If you see, I have opened the zipper all the way through, but it is still closed. So it's not like your stuff is gonna fall out, which I really appreciate about this bag. And then on the interior, as you can see, it is beautiful red. I have my lock here. So it comes with the lock as well in case you want to lock it and make it more secure. I haven't used it, I just put it in the bag. It is so beautiful though, shiny. So yeah, I'm just putting it here. And the best part about the bag is it also comes with a shoulder strap, which I'm going to show to you guys. So inside the bag, as you can see, it is one large pocket and there's not much. So you can just pretty much put inside things and just take them out like that. And then there is a side pocket here. As you can see, probably you can use some cards or coins or something of that sort. So the bag is fairly small, but I really like this because I am not somebody who carries a lot, and this pretty much fits all my essentials, my wallet, my phone, my keys, and maybe a makeup pouch sometimes, or sunglasses. I think it all fits here, and that's the beauty of it. The good part about structured bag is you can pretty much use them for evening outs as well, because they look so elegant, right? Because it holds its shape. At the same time, because they are giving us a shoulder strap, so you can pretty much wear it on your shoulder, or you can wear it as a cross. Just insert some clip here so that you can see how it shows on me. So if I take it handheld, or if I use it as a shoulder bag, I think that will give you a good reference. I have pretty much used this for a evening out as well as for a daytime, like going to the beach or park as well, and it worked out great. I think this is such a classic. Even now on Instagram I see this bag so much, and I love this bag. I think if you want to go for a decent demier ebene from Louis Vuitton, I think this is something that you should go for. I actually like the Speedy as well, but Speedy doesn't have a shape to it, and I'm somebody who's more into structured bags, so I was deciding between the two and I went for this. And for sure, I think it paid off. Okay, so I quickly want to show you how to put the shoulder strap as well. So let's quickly do that. As you can see, it has two hooks on the ends. So you can pretty much just hook it up on these handles. Like that, and just go diagonal. So I put one here, then go on the other side and put it here. Okay, so like that, and then it becomes a shoulder bag, which is a great thing, right? Because then you can carry it easily in case you are going for a long walk or something. I think this always helps because then it is easy to carry, especially if you're out for a longer time, because you can't keep it holding like handheld, right? So this helps a lot. Their website says that the strap drop is 22 inches, which is a pretty good height. I am 5 feet 6 inches tall. It falls completely at the right spot for me. So if you are of a similar height, you can get an idea out of it. Usually I don't wear it crossbody. I'm not a crossbody person, so I will just put it on my shoulder, and that works great for me. You can see I'm completely vouching for this bag because I see more pros, and all the pros that I've mentioned so far, I think this is a beautiful bag to go for. And the way Louis Vuitton prices are increasing, I think this is a classic. This will never go out of style, so definitely check this out. And this is like a very, very beautiful print from Louis Vuitton as well. So if you are interested in classic bags, definitely check this out, which is, in comparison to other Louis Vuitton bags, a bit budget friendly as well. I won't say it is like cheap, it is very expensive, but at the same time, if you check their other bags, then for sure this is a cheaper option compared to those. So when it comes to the con, I just have one thing in my mind, that even if you open the zipper and you're holding the bag, it is very hard to like get stuff from the bag unless you put it at some place, right? I have tried it, like it's very hard for me to find things unless they are bigger stuff. So if you have smaller things in the bag, it might be harder for you to find those things just by doing this, right? Because it doesn't open much, so it will be a bit tricky to do. But I don't think it bothers me that much. I feel the security is more important, and with this bag you're getting it because your stuff will not fall down. So it's not open on the top, so that helps a lot. And then it has a very secure zipper as well. The zipper is also very, very smooth. As you can see, it doesn't cause any problems. So again, this is how the bag looks. I absolutely love it, and I would definitely recommend it to you guys. I'm actually thinking of buying the Pochette Métis. Please let me know if any of you guys own it and what is your feedback on it. I would love to hear it because I think that is something that is next on my list. Alright guys, so I hope this video was helpful for you in case you are going to buy Alma BB. I hope it helped with your decision making. I'll be back with other bag reviews soon on my channel, so please stay tuned, and until next time.